before and after birth. In 1920, Pearl and Chubb, they start that during the life and individual of the female sex, there is not will there be any crisis in the pre-established number of prenatal primary follicles. But later, in 2004, Tilly and Johnson discovered mitotically active cells similar to those of the ovaries of fetal mice are discovered in the ovaries of young and adult mice. This initiates the debate on the regenerative capacity of the ovary in postnatal life. It's a good news to us in fertility. This is the same histological slide submitted for Tilly and Johnson in 2004. And here we can see these cells they were talking about. And this is the same cell, but looking through the immunofluorescences. Okay. In 2005, Johnson and Kessler then arrived the possibility that new follicles and oocytes can develop in adulthood, and Kessler was able to identify those factors that are capable to stimulating the development of new primary follicles. Good news, great news to us. And this was our faith with the news that stem cell exists in the ovary. In 2004, Tilly and Johnson, they stated that it is possible that both points of view coexist. The presence of the fixed population of oocytes at birth that it is not normally renewable, and the presence of a stem cell in the ovary that has the ability to activate and differentiate into primary follicles under special circumstances. In 2010, Tilly South Porcherotti, they talking about the inactive stem cell in all mice has the ability to restore oogenesis in vivo when it exposed at young adult ovarian environment, suggesting that ovarian aging may be reversible. All this then was very good, very news, or great news to us in fertility. But all this study was made in mice, not in humans. And the big question in this moment to us was, do this cell exist in the human ovary? And finally, in 2012, Telfer and Guay, they managed to identify and purify mitotically active cell in the human ovaries, characterized by gene expression profile compatible with primitive germ cell isolated by fluorescence activated cell storing technique. In this moment, we had a big party with the news, but the big question to us is the same. Why do we age? What happened with our ovaries? How to stop the aging? And the answer maybe for all us is we can stop aging. Aging is a natural process of individual, and maybe it is due to the shortening of the telomerase. I would like ask you that you use your headset, please, in order to understand the next slide, please.
Slides are moving rapidly. Dr. Carmen. Slides are moving rapidly.